Do you know why PCBs come in different colors? Today, I'd like to walk you through common PCB colors and their typical applications. The most common PCB colors include green, white, blue, black, red, and orange. Among them, green PCBs are the most widely used. They have the most mature manufacturing process, are more environmentally friendly, and most importantly, they are ideal for SMT optical recognition and manual inspection. White PCBs are commonly used for LED lighting boards. Black PCBs are usually applied in high-end products. They help protect circuit designs, as black boards are harder to reverse engineer or copy. Red PCBs are often used in frequency circuits. They offer good thermal stability, well in high temperature or harsh environments. I won't go through all the colors today. If you have a favorite PCB color, feel free to share it in the comment and tell us why you like it.